With Studio Plus, you get direct access to your payroll edits and invoices within the product. You can also easily share files and folders, such as start paperwork and time cards, with your cast and crew payroll coordinator. To access your payroll files, you have two options. You can click on Studio Plus in the left side navigation drawer to view the Studio Plus dashboard that shows all projects you have access to. Or you can select a project first and then click Studio Plus inside the selected project workspace to view the folder structure for that specific project. Let's click on the left side navigation drawer option to view the Studio Plus dashboard. If you have access to multiple projects in Studio Plus, you will see a list of all available projects on the dashboard. To browse a list of all organizations you have access to, click Find Organization. This dashboard also has all files and folders you favorited in the My Favorite section. We recommend favoriting your most used folders to quickly access them here. All projects and folders that have had a file upload within the last 5 days will be listed in the Recent section. If you have access to multiple projects, you can find this tab next to your favorites. Again, if you have access to multiple projects, you'll also see a current and previous payroll section where you can access payroll folders from the current and previous weeks. Above your dashboard, you'll see some tabs in the navigation bar. Let's quickly go over these. The Download Manager page is where you can view the items you've downloaded in the past and re-download them if needed. Submit Adjustment will take you to the form in My Cast and Crew where you can send cast and crew details about any payroll adjustments you may have. Notification settings let you control how you are notified about activity in Studio Plus. You can also view all notifications across all projects here in the Global Notifications area. To return to the Studio Plus dashboard, click Home. You can quickly access any of your payroll files and folders from the homepage or utilize the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you're in the folder structure, you can utilize the filters on the right to locate your files quickly. Simply click the filter icon to expand the filter sidebar. The filtering options will vary based on which folder you're in. By default, payroll folders are organized under their respective projects. If you require additional folders than the ones shown, you can work with your implementation specialist to get them added. Cast and Crew automatically uploads payroll reports to the From Cast and Crew folder for you to retrieve. These files are marked as Added from Payroll. Invoices uploaded to this folder will include the invoice number and category. Edit Report refers to an invoice file, which can be a time card verification report, fringe, or payroll register report. Approved Invoice indicates that the payroll invoice and its grand total have been finalized. If you have Invoice Approver permission, you'll see the Edit Report and Approved Invoice categories as buttons. You can click the button or the invoice number to view the file digitally on a new page where you can approve the edit or request revisions. To return to Studio Plus, click the Go to Studio Plus button in the top right of the screen. To view a file, double-click it. From here, you can download it, leave a comment for others in your organization, share it with other users in your organization who are added to Studio Plus, or print it. You can also perform all those actions and more for multiple files by using the Bulk Action feature. When reviewing these files, you can mark them as read or unread to make them easier to manage. You can do this individually or in groups by using Bulk Action. When you're done reviewing, move files to the completed folder via multi-select or drag and drop individual files. This will help you stay organized and easily find new documents that have been added by your payroll coordinator. You can download files from any folder or subfolder. However, subfolders themselves can only be downloaded from the To Cast and Crew and From Cast and Crew folders, as well as from the Hours Plus Batch Reports and Hours Plus Time Cards folders if you are using Hours Plus. You can upload your time cards, start paperwork, and any other files you want to share with your payroll coordinator to the To Cast and Crew folder. To upload a file or folder, click Upload and select a folder or file. Make sure you place the files in the correct destination folder. If you're uploading multiple files, you can close the window and the files will upload in the background. The To Cast and Crew folder also has an Adjustment Corrections folder. Use this folder to upload any corrections needed for adjustment invoices. It's recommended to enable notifications for the From Cast and Crew folder to receive an email whenever new payroll files are uploaded to this folder. This is especially helpful if you're working with both the US and Canada projects for payroll. To do so, click the three-dot menu on the folder and select Enable Notifications. And remember, you can also view notifications for all projects in the Notifications menu in the global navigation. You can also customize individual notifications that you wish to receive by selecting the document types under your notification settings. After you save your preferences, you'll be notified when files that have a certain category applied to them are uploaded, regardless of their destination folder. To favorite a folder, click the star icon. Now when you log into Studio Plus, you'll see this folder on your homepage, under your favorites, and you can hover over it to quickly view its directory path, to ensure you're working with the correct payroll folder.